Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to forward Telegram message without or with a sender name. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open the Telegram app on your phone. Then first thing you do is you try and locate the message you wish to forward to a particular user. So I'm just going to click on this particular message, which is the Dr. Apple Crypto Lab. So I want to send this message. I want to forward this message. So I'll click on it, then I'll click on the forward option. Then from there, I'm just going to find the person I want to send this to. So I'm just going to click on this particular person. Then before I click on the send button, I'll click on this right arrow button at the left hand side of the screen. I'm just going to click on it. Then from there, you have an option to hide or to show a sender name. In your own case, if yours is on hide, then you just tap on it to make it show. You can see once I click on hide, hide, it takes away the sender's name. But I click on show name, the name of the sender, which is Dr. Crypto Lab, appears at the top side of the message, and that's how to show sender name in Telegram for the message. If I did helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.